to delete YouTube TV account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to delete your YouTube TV account. So in order to delete your YouTube TV account, you first need to have a membership plan in your YouTube TV, and as soon as you have the membership plan in your YouTube TV account, you will be able to delete your account quite easily. So first of all, just simply open the YouTube TV official website. Just simply type tv.youtube.com and you will be landed to the official website of the YouTube TV. And you can also use your YouTube TV application in your mobile device or any other device of your preference. And after that, just simply log into your account using your credentials. And once you are logged in into your YouTube TV account, just simply click on the profile section from the top right corner of the screen. And from there, just simply locate the settings option from the list over here, and under the YouTube settings you will be able to see the membership option. And if you have membership plan in your YouTube TV account, you will be able to see the membership plan right here, and along with that you will be able to see the option called cancel membership. And as soon as you cancel your membership with your YouTube TV account, your account will be automatically deleted. So this is basically how you will be able to delete your YouTube TV account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.